Okay guys, let's talk about Frida Gadget. What is it basically? So if you need to manipulate the APK file in some way, typically you need to have a Frida client which is running on your machine and Frida server. But in case of Frida server, you need the phone to be actually rooted, so only it's gonna run on a rooted phone. In case if you don't have a rooted phone or you don't want to root it, there's a way to inject the specific file library right into the APK so that your Frida client can communicate with it. So basically just rebuilding the APK file with this new library. If you want to go this way, this is actually really clean way of modifying the APK file to work with it. So basically Frida Gadget is available and you can go to the website and basically there's a guide how to do that. You need to decompile the APK file, add the library, and then also modify the smiley code to execute this library on the launch during the launch time. So this is how to do that, but we're gonna go the other way. We're gonna basically use the specific script which is located right here. It's going to be provided in the description down below. Basically Frida Gadget script that you use to modify the APK file. It's going to do everything for you just automatically. It's going to inject the library and then modify the APK file and rebuild it. First of all, we need to have an APK file to modify. In this case, for example, this is the F-Droid. I'm going to be modifying it. You can download it right here. And then, of course, we need to execute our script. So I've just downloaded this APK file, it's right here, and we are going to modify it. To execute this Python script, we need to have a virtual environment for execution, or you can install it globally, but I do not recommend it. Let's rather create a virtual environment for that. In this case, I'm creating a new virtual environment called Frida Environment 2. Basically, I already have a Frida Environment 1, so this is just in Frida Environment 2. Let's go ahead. Okay, it's been created. Now we need to actually go there to be able to modify it. Now let's go ahead and activate it. We can then navigate to this virtual environment and just type source, activate. Okay, right now we are in this virtual environment and we need to install the tools that we need. First of all, let's run this command, pip install upgrade pip. It's all installed. Now let's install Frida tools that we need for our purposes. Okay, done. Now let's install this Frida Gadget automated script. Okay, we are ready to execute the Frida Gadget to basically modify this APK file, inject Frida Gadget right there, and yeah, it should be all done. And that's it. We got our modified APK file. And here it is, guys. The new F-Droid folder has been created. If we navigate here, we can actually see the file structure of a typical APK file, and you can browse it around. And of course, if you go to dist, you're going to download basically the compiled APK version, like debug sign, for example, or you can navigate here and just see how it actually modified the APK file. If we go to library, lib, so here it is, guys. The library is injected right into the APK file and we can work with it. It's a really simple solution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, press the like button, and let me know what do you think about it. Are you going to actually try it for yourself? It would be really interesting to know. Okay, bye.